guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Gigi, worshiper and singer. In today's video, I want to talk about 5 tips to improve your singing. Tip number 1, break patterns. There are many methods and ideas about how to sing. For example, this is the voice which I speak. That same voice is the same one that I'm going to use to sing. Falling in love with Jesus. Falling in love with Jesus. See? It's the same one. Remember, the singing voice is an extension of the spoken voice. So, just sing. Tip number 2, discover your voice. It is important to identify your voice. Identify your weaknesses and strengths. Many times we don't know the potential that we have because we have not explored the different possibilities of our voice. So, discover your voice. Tip number 3, listen to yourself. The voice is not an instrument that you can see when you are playing, like the piano. For example, when you start to play the piano, you are seeing how your hands move and what keys you are playing. But the voice does not work like that. Then our best ally is our ear. I know that nobody likes to listen to our own voice in recordings, but believe me, it will help you a lot. Sometimes we get so into the song we are singing and we are not paying attention to what is coming out. So, recording ourselves will help us to go back and listen. I know that we all hear ourselves weird the first time we hear ourselves and we say, is this my voice? But that's your voice, that one that everybody's listening to. So, get used to hearing it. Tip number 4, develop a correct vocal technique. Vocal technique is super important because it helps us understand how our voice works and how to develop it to its maximum potential. It is important to identify our needs and to do exercises and vocalizations that help us meet these needs. Also, we don't want to hurt ourselves and cause some damage to our voice. That's why it's so important to develop a correct vocal technique. Tip number 5, be patient. Nobody is born as a perfect singer. It is a process that takes time and dedication. Don't be discouraged and don't let anyone discourage you. All the singers you hear sing very well. Believe me, it took them a long time before they sing like that. So don't be discouraged, keep singing. And lastly, enjoy. The truth is that at first you feel super weird, but if you have practice, there will come a time where it will just flow. Enjoy it. Choose songs that you like and remember why you do it. And that's all for today. I hope these tips are useful to you. If you like this video, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and tell me down below what other topics you would like to discuss. You can also write to me on my social media. Bye guys!